So yeah, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, G-Tech. Like, subscribe, and comment on my video, guys. Don't forget to do that. You already know. Today when I work on, it's a 2005 Chevy Tahoe. Yo, man, I just picked this up the other day from the auction. Went pretty great. Ever since I picked it up, I've just been driving. But this morning, I got a problem. My oil pressure gauge. My oil pressure just go all the way to zero. At first, I knew it was acting crazy because it was all the way up past the 40 mark. So I was like, shit. So I went and picked up the parts at AutoZone. It's in this box right here. Yep. Parts number right here. PS340. Three spring in there. Guys, this thing was like $60 something with taxes at AutoZone. Alright guys, quick little walk around. This is what I've done so far. I took my grill off, sprayed black, kind of give the front a little different features, but look a little different from everybody else, I mean. But look guys, the body, a little strip on the hood, and stuff. But apart from that, it is very clean. I don't really see no body damage or anything like that on there, apart from the clear coat and some of the coloring coming off. When I got it Friday night from the tow truck, it was leaking water. So what I've done, I patched it up a little bit right here with some thing that I got at AutoZone. But yeah, this is what the engine looked like. It got a 5.3. Pretty good. I had a real good angle lie, guys. It's like it's real smooth. Like what I see. But what we're about to attack today is that air pressure sensor, as I say, somewhere in the back on here. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. Alrighty. So the oil sensor is located at the back of the intake on the engine block. I doubt you can see it. Oh, it's right here. That sensor right there. So, see it right there. So that's what we want to get to right up. So to get to that sensor, it's kind of a little bit tricky. A lot of people take off that little plastic piece on the top of the intake, but the fact that I can stay right here at the side and see it, I'm gonna attempt to attack it from this angle. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just get something to stand on, and then so I can reach over there, and then we're gonna go from there. I'm gonna see if I can access it without gotta climb over too far in the engine wood. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back out. I'm about to get it popping right now. See, I got a flashlight on, so I can boom, pick it up what I want to see. So let's get in there. Let's see what's popping. Let's make fun of this one. Alright, guys. So I got the sensor wire off. All I did was just fish my hand in here. I mean, if your hand is too big, it's not gonna work. This is for like a skinny hand person, to be honest, because it's a tight little spot. The thing is, this line right here, the gas line, is kind of stiff. I don't want to mess with it, so you kind of gotta fish your hand down to right little spot right here and get it. So I think there's a 10mm somewhere in there, I think. So I'm gonna try to feel it out and get something down in there and try to find it. Just trying to make a video, guys, so you can see clearly what's going on under there. That 10mm right there gotta move. All right, guys, I got it out. You can see my hand. It's a little bit scratched up to go to the little spot right there, but eventually I got it through there. Fish it through. Let me show you what I end up got to do. I end up got to make a tool. So it was a size 27 millimeter. That cleared up, but this is what I do. I get my Mac heater and kind of grind it down a little bit because it's kind of a tight space around there. I think they got a special tool that go around, so it's kind of thick around the rim. So I did have to rub it down a little. But yeah, I fish it out and I end up moving that little plastic piece so I could get some more light around there. Use my flashlight a little bit so I could see. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put the new one in, tighten it up. And it's not a rocket scientist, guys. The same way you take it out, the same way you put it in. And just make sure you tighten it up so it doesn't leak. And that bolt that I said it was a 10 millimeter, this actually was a 13 millimeter. And it kind of got this little wing on it, so it kind of blocked the socket to go down in that little slot where the sensor is seated. So you definitely got to take out this little 13 to kind of free up some space on top of rubbing down this. All right, guys, I'm gonna put it in. I ain't got time. So yeah. Here we have it, guys. Put it in and just run it a little bit. Make sure I ain't got no oil leaks or anything. And it's good to go. And go inside. That's the pressure right there. Got a little much better. It was down at 0, or it was up at 80. So now it's right there. Should be good, hopefully. That's right, yeah. Hopefully you just stay right there and don't go anything low. Well, that's it, guys. How to change your eye pressure sensor by yourself without pulling your whole car down. I know a lot of shops, they probably take the intake, plan them out just to make it easy, so they got a clearer view. It's kind of hard to fish around here on the side, but it's possible. So stay tuned for my next video, guys, and as I said, like, subscribe, comment on my videos.